Hi guys, so yet again, it's the same as last time. I just started the video and didn't even bother explaining. So what we're doing in the video today is, last time you saw that I edged all of the room. So I'm going to paint it with the roller today. And then we're going to start the grey and then we're going to do the white. And I think that's going to be it for this video because it's very long already and I'm going to show you the decor in another video. We're going to do a part 3, guys. I know, pushing out the boat, it's crazy. But yeah, so let's get on with this video. If you do like it, remember to give me a like, a subscribe if you're not already, and comment down below, tell me if you like it, if you'd have done something different, or if you just enjoyed it. This is the first wall painted. It's actually a bit hard to see, but obviously that's what it was, and now it's going to be this lovely sort of brown colour, and you can see it up there as well. As it dries, it is getting darker. Let it focus. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm excited to get the whole room done, but I've got all of this, which is going to take me ages, and all of this to go, so a while still, guys. I think 9:30, and I started this at like 1 or something, so but I finished painting the brown colour, and then I'm gonna leave it for tonight because it's late and I've literally been working all day on it. But then tomorrow I'm gonna do like the light grey and the white. And there's a few things that I need to go over. I'll show you, because when I was painting over it, it like took the wall off, so that's really annoying. So I'm not sure if I'm just gonna cover it with a photo frame eventually, or I'm gonna just polyfill it and go back over tomorrow, but that was really annoying. But I'll show you what it looks like. Obviously it hasn't dried properly yet. It's going to dry overnight, but I'll show you what it's looking like. So this was the very first layer I did. It's gorgeous, honestly. The contrast on the white I just absolutely love, and obviously with my black accessories that I'm going to have in the room, I think it's going to be so nice. That bit up there is not paint, if it focuses. Doesn't want to. It's like a crack in the wall, there you go. So don't say I'm shit at painting, because I'm really good. And then this is the other wall. I'm really proud of myself, I'm not gonna lie. It's like the first room I've ever properly done by myself, like edging, preparing it, painting it all. And then I was actually really didn't want to do this wall because it's so big, but it took me like not long at all. I kind of painted around the Google, I didn't want to take it out, so I'm hoping that will be fine. But where was the bit on here? Yeah, so there's a bit here. Oh my god, I'm zoomed in, I can't see what I'm showing you. There. When I was painting it kind of took it off, so I'm annoyed about that. That I think can be covered quite easily, although I think I might go like polyfill it and go over that, because that will annoy me. And then basically about this wall, my brothers only have one. My brother and his friend were wrestling and they went through the wall, so I'm gonna put a photo over that because there's just no fixing that. I did the best job I could. And then this, literally, as I was painting it, it just came off. So I'm upset about that. I think probably the best thing to do is just put it off, isn't it? So yeah, I'm gonna have to polyfill that and do that tomorrow because it's such a big bit of like plaster or whatever that is. So yeah, upset. But apart from that, really happy with the colour, happy with, didn't get it on the wall or anything like that. So yeah, I'm gonna let that dry, get in the shower and wash all of this off because I'm literally a state. Especially my hands are like raw from painting, so it's horrible. But yeah, I will get back to you guys tomorrow. Bye. My room is an absolute tip because I have everything from my new room out. Got my painting gear on. It is, what's the time? Still have to look. It's 10:20 in the morning and I need to, well, I'll show you actually. I'm quite upset because the first coat I did on, which was this wall, the first wall, it's fine, it just needs the edging redone. But when you get to sort of this, it like does need a second coat, and especially this wall, because it's just a bit patchy, so I'm quite upset about that. So yeah, but you know, it's better to do a second coat than like be sat there when everything's done and be like, oh my god, I wish I had like done that at the time. And I got a spot here this morning, so that's great. We're living for it. So yeah, I'm gonna do the second coat now. I'm gonna polyfiller in the bits that came off yesterday, and hopefully it won't happen again. And then I'm painting this grey. I've ran into a bit of a problem, guys. So that is all I have left in my pot, and let me just show you inside the can. I literally have like nothing left, and I've still got this whole wall to do, and I do need to make sure this wall's perfect because it's going to be like a feature wall. So I'm gonna hope that I have enough. I really don't think I do. I might just have to go and buy another can, which is really annoying. But everywhere else is looking a lot better now. And this wall, which was really bad, like the cracks and things on it, oh, it just doesn't like to focus when there's nothing there. Let's just show my wonderful self. No, it's still not focusing. There we go. This wall where there's loads of cracks, you actually can't really see them anymore. I mean, you can when you go close, I need to still do that bit. But it was a lot worse, and I'm going to end up putting something over there, probably a photo, or I'm not sure. But yeah, looking a lot better. So let's just hope I can get this wall done. Oh my god, guys, that is literally the paint I have left. Like, that is all the paint I have left, and I've managed to do the whole room. I just need it to dry so I can give it one last check. But I think I've managed to do it, thank God. I just need to go over with my edging there, a little bit there, and to just up this wall a little bit. Thank God, guys. I was really worried then, because I don't know, there was literally no paint left, but I've done it, and it looks so nice. Like, literally, I love it so much. Really happy with it. And now I'm going to move on to doing the grey. Ridiculously hard. It was just like, it's just a difficult angle, like in every single corner. Like, nothing was easy, and on top of that I literally ran out of paint again, so I ended up literally painting with the paintbrush. So God knows what it's going to turn out like, but literally the only way I could get paint out was to get the paintbrush, like, let me show you, get the paintbrush right in and like scoop it out. And on top of that, you see, like, all in there was like bits of like dried paint somehow got in there, so the wall's kind of bitty as well. I'm just hoping it's going to dry even, but I'll get back to you later and we'll have a look at what it looks like. And then I need to paint all of this white. Whether I'm going to do that today or not, I don't know now, because that's just pissed me off. I'm not going to lie, that just really annoyed me because it was really hard. So I'm just going to go have a break, have a coffee, and then I will get back to you. So the grey's now almost dried and it looks really good. Like, it dried perfectly, so I'm happy about that. Then the white's just drying now. It looks dirty, that's what it was drying like, and then it dries white. So that's good. I didn't do the ceiling because I couldn't be bothered, but I did like up to there. I'm just waiting for this bit to dry as well. There's like a big crack in the wall, so hopefully I've covered it. And I repainted in here because it was quite scratched. I just want to put a bit more white there. And then the room is painted. Sorry if you can hear my neighbours, they're like the noisiest neighbours in the planet, so just ignore them. But yeah, everything's painted now. The beige walls are pretty much dry. Okay guys, so that is the end of this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. I really love seeing the room be transformed. It's just so satisfying to watch. You just take about 10 minutes out of your day and just watch the time lapse. It's just really satisfying. Like, I don't know if it's just me, but honestly, I just love it. So I hope you guys did too. Remember to give me a like and subscribe and a comment. Just share your love. And come and watch part 3 soon. I will let you know when it's all out. And yeah, I will see you in part 3.